Are you thinking of moving to the St. George, Utah area? In this video, we're going to visit Ivins, Utah, a neighboring city, and check out 3 different subdivisions. One with a home in the $300,000 range, one in the $800,000 range, and a $1.7 million home. And if you stick around till the end, we were going to check out the art center. Is this your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in the St. George area? Make sure to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications so you're the first to know what's happening in the St. George area. Hi, my name is Shari Harris and I'm with Fathom Realty. We get phone calls and emails every day from people just like you who are looking to move to the St. George area, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're planning on moving next week, next month, or next year, give us a call, send us a text or an email, and we'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to the St. George area. All of our contact information is in the description below. Now let's get going. We are in the Padre Lake subdivision in Ivins for our first stop today. This is a small, they're townhomes actually, but they're not attached townhomes. And these are really close. You'll be able to see pockets of the Red Mountains. Let me see if I can turn so you can kind of see what I'm talking about back there. So the HOA here is one of our higher ones at $317.50 a month. And it covers, there's ponds behind a lot of these homes with fountains. They have a pool, clubhouse. It covers your sewer and your water and yard maintenance. So it does come with a lot of special amenities and features for that cost. And right over here behind me is the home I wanted to show you today. This is actually 1,084 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, built in 1995, but has had a lot of updates. And it's listed for $324,950. So one of our lowest priced homes in Ivins at this time. I'm gonna go on down the street so you can see more of the neighborhood. If we get down to this next street, there's a wonderful pocket of the Red Mountains, which I guess you can kind of see it between the homes as I'm walking. That's one of the amazing things about Ivins is the view. Everywhere you go, so now we're coming to one of the crossroads, so you can get that true view of what I'm talking about with the Red Mountains. Love driving down these streets every day. So yeah, let's just take another view around. I'll see if I can catch a view of some of these ponds and fountains so you know what I'm talking about. And there you have it. Those are the ponds with the fountains that I was talking about. So I stopped by one of the neighbors as I was walking through the neighborhood, and they pointed out how much they love the pond in the back with the fountains and how peaceful and the sound is, as well as they love in the evenings that they can sit on their back porch and they can see the ducks that come, and just that it's a really relaxing, quiet environment here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our next house. As you can see, we've moved closer to the Red Mountains. We are now in the Padre Canyon Estates, and the home I'm going to be showing you is right here behind me. Let me turn so you can see it. So this large home back here is actually 3,352 square feet on a full, actually it's just barely under an acre, horse property with views. And the basement is a fully functional apartment. So there's 2 fully functional living spaces. But it has a total of 6 bedrooms, four bathrooms, no HOA. Anyway, this is just a beautiful neighborhood. And with the larger lots here, some of our older homes here, this one was built in 1988. A lot of our older homes have full acres, and which is really hard to find nowadays. They build homes a lot closer together. So I can just show you this neighborhood. And you're not too far from like Harmon's grocery store is actually just over the border into Santa Clara. So that's your closest grocery store. There's also a Digby's supermarket that isn't too far from here. That's also just over the border, but that's into St. George. And in town in Ivins, there is a small little market, a gas station, a couple gas stations actually. We have a post office, a bike shop. Icebox is a fun place to go eat with your family. So we mainly do most of our shopping though in town, which is still only probably 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes from here to get your groceries. So not a long distance drive at all. Show you the view once more of this neighborhood. All right, let's get headed to our last house for today. We are out in the Kayenta area of Ivins. Out here you'll notice that there's desert landscape as far as you can see with little flat rooftops. Out here they have limits on how much landscaping you can do on your lot. Most of it, a large percentage of it is supposed to be kept with this desert landscaping. Most of the homes out here also have large, beautiful windows so that you can take in all the natural landscape and the beautiful red mountains. This is our area that has a lot of $1 million homes. This home here is 2,753 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bathrooms on 0.76 of an acre, listed for $1,749,000. It was built in 2017. These homes have usually high-end custom finishes. The HOA is $500 a year. And covers taking care of the roads. You're not too far from getting into town out here, 4 or 5 minutes and you're back into a lot of the subdivisions. Also, you will see in Kayenta there is what's kind of an arts village. They have a theater there. They also have a restaurant that's really, really good and just some cute little shops that you can enjoy. We'll go drive by there so you can see the arts village. As promised, we're ending the day at the Kayenta Art Village, where you can go to shows indoor and outdoor. They have a variety of shops with like homemade items, so if you're looking for a really unique gift or unique home decor, this is the place to go. They also have an awesome restaurant. There's almost always a wait there, but it's perfect because while you're waiting, you get to go explore the shops. So let's go walk around.